check out this awesome LEGO typewriter that I received as a gift while I was at Brick Rodeo last weekend. It is awesome. I'm really, really touched. This was built by Bricks in a Snap, and it is based off the LEGO typewriter set that was the LEGO Ideas set by Steve Guinness. Steve was actually the keynote speaker at Brick Rodeo this last weekend, and it was really, really great to meet him and listen to him talk about how he came up with the design for this. Bricks in a Snap brought 4 of them in different colors. I had actually considered doing this with the typewriter I have because I could get all the pieces and do it in orange, and Greg knew this and gave this to me. There are some truly awesome people in the LEGO community, especially the adult fan of LEGO community, and Greg, Bricks in a Snap, is one of those. I've known him for a few years now through Brick Rodeo. He brings amazing mosaics, just large scale, smaller scale, just amazing mosaics. 6-color, multicolor, black and white, it all goes. David Bowie, Wonder Woman this year. I mean, the list goes on. He is also more than willing to help people create their own mosaics. He has the education, he has the knowledge, and he's more than willing to share it with the people. He's given me advice on things, anywhere from how to actually design it to how to put it together, the framing to make it stay together, all of those things. So I have to give huge amount of credit to Greg for doing that for the community, on top of creating the thing. So Steve Guinness was at Brick Rodeo, and he was impressed with the recoloring of everything. And this was an amazing gift. I can't say enough about that. But I do want to point out that if you don't know the typewriter set, it actually does things. There we go. And let me go through. There we go. That was the best acting I could do. Now you'll notice the one major thing besides it being orange that's different is the sticker that normally goes right there isn't there. Bricks in a Snap had Steve Guinness, who is the Brick Consultant, sign that tile that is supposed to be the sticker. So that made it even more special. So overall, I wanted to come on and share this amazing gift that was given to me that will go on display on my shelf, but as just kind of a way of showing how amazing people in the community can be. Some of the friendships that I have made over the past few years of going to shows and going around to events, fan weekends, all that, I've really made some very, very close friendships. And so I would truly like to, from the bottom of my heart, thank Greg, Bricks in a Snap, for giving me this. And I am so happy that I will be able to display it on my shelf and really, really enjoy it. Thank you so much.